Stop tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen-packed snacks your body craves. Have you ever been sitting on the couch, scrolling through your phone, when suddenly your hand goes numb, or you feel that strange pins and needles sensation in your legs? You shake it off, but it keeps coming back. What if I told you that your body might be trying to tell you something important, something that can be fixed with the right food? Stay with me, because today we're talking about the connection between collagen, nerve health, and muscle strength. And I'm going to share 8 easy snacks you can add to your day that not only stop that tingling feeling, but also make your legs stronger and your skin healthier. Why collagen matters more than you think. Before we get into the snacks, let's make something clear. Collagen isn't just about glowing skin and anti-aging creams. It's the most abundant protein in your body, holding together your muscles, joints, ligaments, tendons, and even your blood vessels. When your collagen levels drop, you might notice more than just wrinkles. Weak muscles, stiff joints, slower healing, and yes, tingling hands and legs, can all be early signs. Think of collagen like the scaffolding in a building. Without it, the whole structure becomes unstable. That's why keeping your collagen levels high is so important, especially as we age. If you think collagen loss only starts in your 50s, you're in for a surprise. It can begin as early as your mid-20s, and by the time you notice the symptoms, you've already lost a significant amount. That's why acting now is key. Snack number 1. Greek yogurt with chia seeds. Let's start with something creamy, tangy, and loaded with goodness: Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just a source of protein, it contains the amino acids your body needs to make collagen. Adding chia seeds makes it even better. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3s, which support healthy blood circulation, a big help for reducing numbness and tingling. This snack works double duty. It feeds your muscles and joints while also helping your nerves communicate better with your brain. That means fewer, falling asleep, sensations in your hands and legs. Here's the twist. A lot of people eat yogurt for gut health, but they don't realize it's also helping repair their connective tissue from the inside out. Snack number 2. Bone broth in a mug. It might sound old-fashioned, but bone broth is basically collagen in liquid form. Simmered bones release gelatin, which your body can use to rebuild cartilage, repair tendons, and even improve nerve insulation. The warmth also increases blood flow, which is great for those cold, tingly fingers and toes. If you're not into sipping it plain, you can mix it into soups or even use it to cook rice or quinoa. Most people think of soup as comfort food, but when made with bone broth, it's actually like giving your body a structural upgrade with every sip. Snack number 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are collagen powerhouses, but not for the reason you think. The whites contain amino acids like proline and glycine, both of which are critical for collagen production. The yolk is loaded with vitamin D and healthy fats that keep your nerves working properly. A couple of hard-boiled eggs can be the perfect mid-morning snack, especially if you need steady energy and want to avoid those afternoon crashes. If you've been throwing away your egg yolks because you think they're unhealthy, you've actually been tossing out one of the most important nerve-nourishing nutrients in your diet. Snack number 4. Cottage cheese with pineapple. This might sound like an odd pairing, but hear me out. Cottage cheese is rich in protein, calcium, and the building blocks of collagen. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation. That's important because inflammation can damage collagen and weaken nerve function. By pairing these two, you're getting a snack that feeds your tissues and calms irritation at the same time. Snack number 5. Almond butter on whole grain toast. Collagen isn't built on protein alone. Your body also needs minerals like copper, magnesium, and zinc. Almond butter has all three, plus healthy fats to support nerve insulation. The whole grain toast adds complex carbs, which help your muscles stay fueled. This combination is especially good if your legs feel weak after walking or climbing stairs. Here's something to think about. If you constantly feel like your legs get tired faster than they should, it might not be about muscle strength alone. It could be that your nerves aren't delivering the right signals, and they need the right nutrients to recover. Snack number 6. Beef jerky, grass-fed. When it comes to collagen content, beef, especially from grass-fed sources, is a top choice. Jerky is convenient, portable, and full of amino acids like hydroxyproline, which is specific to collagen. It's a great choice if you need something quick after a workout or during a long workday. Just be sure to choose low-sodium, minimally processed options to avoid excess salt. Snack number 7. Berries with dark chocolate. Collagen needs protection. Even if you're eating the right foods, free radicals can damage collagen fibers. That's where antioxidants come in. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with vitamin C and polyphenols. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, contains flavonoids that protect blood vessels and keep nerves healthy. Together, they make a snack that's not just delicious, but also a shield for your collagen stores. Yes, you just heard me say chocolate can help keep your nerves and joints healthy, as long as it's the right kind. Snack number 8. Salmon with avocado slices. This one feels more like a mini meal, but it's worth including. Salmon is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support nerve health. Avocado adds vitamin E and healthy fats that keep cell membranes strong. This combination keeps your muscles nourished and your nerves firing properly. It's especially good for anyone who struggles with both tingling sensations and muscle weakness. Putting it all together, eating collagen-rich snacks isn't about jumping on a trend. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to repair, rebuild, and function at its best. If you've been dealing with tingling hands, weak legs, or even just stiff joints, these snacks are an easy way to make a big difference. They're simple, tasty, and you don't have to overhaul your entire diet to start seeing results. Imagine waking up tomorrow, walking across the room, and realizing your legs feel steadier, your hands feel warmer, and you have more energy. That's the difference the right nutrients can make. So here's my challenge for you. Pick at least 2 of these snacks and add them to your routine this week. Pay attention to how your body feels, not just in the moment, but over the next few days. Collagen is your body's repair crew. Feed it well, and it will take care of you for years to come. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this video with someone who's been complaining about tingling hands or weak legs, and subscribe to Fitness Tips for more science-backed, practical health advice.